Let's see if I can use this chat app here. So hopefully this will let me participate in all chat rooms, and I guess I can try that. Just to participate everywhere. Cool. It looks like I should be able to. So if I go to the live dashboard, it shows up there. Yes. Awesome. Great. So now let's prepare those challenges, because that will make it much easier to actually finish the month and get everything done. So I found a great data set, or set of data sets. We're gonna start. So the idea is prepare data sets, start code sandboxes, and just prepare the data sets. That's gonna be enough for now. ls. So we have public stuff, no, static stuff. Great. Okay, so for the first one, let's search for Christmas on this dataset site and see. Christmas season, average spending, Christmas trees. Okay, let's look at Christmas trees sold. And we're gonna start here. This is going to be today. It's going to be Christmas trees sold in USA. Intro, build. What should we say? Let's do something simple at first. So the first one should be yeah, let's see what the data set looks like. Random coding, find advent, dataviz advent. Let's see, dataviz advent, where are you? Dataviz advent, static, new folder, data sets. Yeah, that's gonna be fine, because that way it's going to be on GitHub and I'll be able to link to everything. Christmas trees sold in the United States, and we open that sucker. Yes, Burb. And see what the data looks like, and we export it to CSV, so that's going to be easier to work with. Hi, Bird. Okay, data, real trees, fake trees. Okay, cool. So what kind of what kind of visualization should we have for this? I'm gonna delete that stuff. Okay, so that part doesn't work. So I can talk to everyone, but I can't seem to... No, that's gonna be fine. So... Oh man, I am blanking here. So I've actually always been using Restream, but this way I don't have to have multiple chat rooms open, which does actually save CPU, because I just realized that Restream lets me talk on all of my channels at the same time, which is really cool. Not sure why it doesn't... Swizzit Stellar is read-only, okay. So, let's see. Compare... Let's see. Compare Christmas compare fake to real Christmas tree sales in the US. In USA, every year Americans buy a bunch of Christmas trees. Use the data set to compare real and fake sales with an overlapping line chart. Bar chart. Let's do a bar chart with two bar charts. Use the data set to compare real and fake sales with two bar charts. Oh, nice. What kind of course are you thinking of making, Ridari? And we should link to the data set somehow, which means I need to... Seriously, my computer is being weird. Okay. So we're going to move source content. Hello world is going to become source content. What should we call this one? Christmas trees. Like that. Okay, now let's see if it works. Localhost 8000. Okay. We're gonna have to make this a little more fitting for all the things. Okay. So Christmas trees index MD. No video ID yet, no code sandbox ID. Let's do it like this. Use the data set to compare real and fake sales with two bar charts. Okay. You're tempting me with energy drinks. Okay, so we got this. When there's no video ID and no code sandbox ID yet, we're gonna assume the challenge is undone, which means I'm gonna have to add that. But let's go make more challenges first. Data set. So how should we link data sets? ls source static, no, ls static data sets. I'm going to copy paste this and put it here. What? My webcam is frozen. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, is that better? Am I moving now? Cool. So, okay, we have that. Now let's make it so that we know when the solution is coming. So git status, git add source, add static, commit -a-m, files, add first data set. Okay, and now I'm gonna go into Gatsby node. This will have to, okay, we don't need this guy. Check JavaScript style, source templates. Oh, and I'm gonna have to deploy this so that I know the URL pattern. Yeah. Okay, so let's do yarn build, and I'm going to do yarn build, and then I'm gonna deploy. That will give me Platform really depends on what kind of thing you want to build. I'm kind of enjoying Teachable. There's also Podia. Is it Podia? Yeah, Podia looks really good. Podia.com has a nice interface. It's always easy to get started on just something like Gumroad. Egghead works great, but the problem there is that they're very curated, so I think you have to get approved and get in. Other than that, I'm not really sure. I haven't explored that many. Let's do yarn build. And I'm not gonna join you with a monster, but I'm gonna go make another tea. Although, no, I'm fine for now. Unknown file video ID. Okay. Now, will that work? I guess you can't have empties. Cool, so intro and also dataset, right? Yeah. So we're gonna take the video ID, code sandbox ID, intro, and dataset. Now I'm gonna deploy this sucker. Oh, so that's weird. The restream chat is echoing messages back to me when I say something. So if I go here, I should now be able to access the dataset with this file directly. No? What if I say static? Okay. Let's see, view page source. How am I doing the social image? ReactViz.holiday. If I do view page source here, no, come on. I need to figure out how I'm doing these things. ReactVizHoliday, okay. ls static reactviz. Oh, that's what I'm doing wrong. So it's going to be slash dataset slash blah, and that should work. Perfect. Okay. Dataset, so we're gonna go here. My solution. Front method const got video equals front matter dot video ID is not the same as NA. Got sandbox front matter dot code sandbox ID is not the same as na. What are you complaining about now? Okay. So if got video, we do this, otherwise no. If got sandbox, we do this guy. Okay, my computer is definitely struggling, even with I tried to tone down the stream to 1080p and it's still being a problem. Right, so I got that. Got sandbox, lead, front matter, intro, and we're gonna say another lead, strong data set, and it's going to be linked like this: href slash datasets slash what is it? Slash, oh, like that, dollar front matter dot dataset, like that, download dataset, and that's going to be file. That looks like a file to me. Okay, now let's see if that works. This site can't be reached. Gatsby develop, run my local server again. So the reason I'm doing this in advance is so that the idea is so that when I come home every night after work, I can just get started on these, and I don't have to think too much in advance. Like, I don't have to spend time preparing. I can just get started. So each thing is going to have Christmas tree sold in the USA, every year of America dataset, and then my solution. And here we're going to say if not code sandbox, then what are we gonna say then? Got sandbox, if no thing, it's going to say h2 solution coming soon. No. Let's see if that shows up. Solution coming soon. Let's add a nice emoji to that because we like emojis. Okay, let's do this. Solution box, solution block. Yeah. And import solution block from // components solution block, and we touch solution block, touch source components solution block.js, solution block, import React from React, export default, blah, react.fragment, h2 solution coming soon, p every day after work, I sit down, turn on the live stream, and live stream on href YouTube and href Twitch, and solve the thing, and solve the challenge. React so if you can find me, solution block is not defined. Of course it is. Oh, do I have to restart this? If you can find me a, what's it called, a data set of how many to-do app solutions were built over time, that would be perfect. I will definitely include it. Every day after work, I sit down, turn on the live stream on YouTube. So my YouTube link is Swizzet's Teller, I believe. Yeah. And twitch.tv/Swizards. Are there YouTube emojis? Let's see. YouTube 9. Okay, that would be cool if we could add that. Each stream aims to stay under 1 hour, but you never know. Check back tomorrow for a write-up, or subscribe to get it in your inbox. Great. And now under each post we're going to also add the drip form, which looks like this. Drip email. So that's one of the things I really love about having working with React or something like that, is that I can just put stuff around. Let's see, I put the email thing, I put the component and stuff shows up. Or subscribe to get it in your inbox, and we can also go to blog post and point down here, or rather to solution block. Cool. All right. So git status, git add source, git commit -a -m. Okay, so git commit -a -m. What did I do? I added, there's no next in previous navigation. I'm gonna have Sean do that. Git commit -a -m, add sign up form and data sets to blog post template. Git push origin master. Okay, so we have that one now. Now we gotta go make more. There's not even a way to go back. Okay, that's a problem. I wonder if we can make a smaller version of this to go on top. We'll see. I'll have somebody else deal with that. Okay, so let's see. What was I doing? Data sets. So we got day 1, Christmas tree sold. Now let's see what's next. Okay, that seems cool. Touch make dir source content, and we said it's going. This one is going to be called. Let's go to index mdx. Copy paste. Make dir source content. The next one is going to be money spent. Touch source content money spent index mdx. Index mdx in money spent. Money spent on Christmas. And this file is called. Come on, work faster. Christmas can be very expensive. Plot a line of how much Americans think they're spending on Christmas gifts over the years. Cool. So that should now show up here. Yay! It goes in the wrong direction. Okay. Gatsby node. Order ascending. Where else? Let's see. Git grep order blah. Order Gatsby node. Index.js. Order ascending. So that way they're going to go from first to last. Day 1, Christmas tree sold, money spent on blah. Wonderful. Ooh, I know what we can do. We can also get the date. Solution blog post. So we have the date, which should be in MDX, or no, in front matter. Solution block date equals front matter dot date. And now if we go to solution block, or subscribe to get it in your inbox on, let's see if that works, date. Yay! Totally worked. Awesome. Strong date. Cool. Alright. Git status, git add dot, git commit -m, fix ordering of posts, and show expected date in solution block. Great, so we have 2 now already, and I think I'm just gonna prepare them for a week in advance, and then I'm gonna do next week's on Sunday and so on. Mostly because I am gonna start running out of ideas very soon, and I would like to get people's recommendations as well. Let's see what else. Ooh, Christmas movies. That looks cool. Okay. And we're gonna see what the dataset actually says. So this is gonna be annoying. Make dir source content Christmas movies. CP source content money spent index MDX to source content Christmas movies. We say movies index. Let's see what the file looks like. On 5 title. Box office revenue, Christmas box office revenue, Christmas movie box office. Yeah, I always get nervous when I do that as well. So let's see, this is gonna be our data set. Oh, I already copy pasted it. ls source data static data sets. They're all xlsx, xlsx. Christmas trees, money spent dot xlsx. Christmas movies. Christmas movies are the best movies. Are some of the best movies. No, Christmas movies are the best movies. How much do they make at the box office? What? Why are you so rowdy? Yeah, you want attention? I don't know, I find not a lot of good Halloween movies come out, whereas there's a lot of great Christmas movies coming out. What should we ask people to do here? Because the bar chart makes sense, but it's kind of boring. What should we say? Build a... Should we do a histogram? Ah, no. Does this histogram well? Show the distribution with a histogram. Show distribution with a histogram. Show revenue distribution with a histogram. I guess that makes sense. No. Let's do another bar chart. Hey Eric. Show the power distribution curve with a vertical bar chart. Okay, so we're gonna have that. Then let's see, what else can we do? Ooh, gifts desired by age group. That sounds cool. Hi, Burp. He whistles at the fire truck. I feel like we should get a scatter plot in there somewhere. Okay, let's do. What kind of data do we have in here? Okay, Christmas movie box office, Christmas gifts, make dear source content Christmas gifts, touch source content Christmas gifts with index MDX, or CP source content money spent. No, what was the Christmas movies to index MDX to content gifts money spent per gifts index MDX. What do people want for Christmas? What Americans want for Christmas? 6. And let's see. Different ages want different things. Different things. Create a horizontal stack chart showing what everyone wants for Christmas. Great. Cool. So this is getting better and better. Great. Now let's see. What else? Oh, the Christmas carols. Okay, let's take that one. Yeah, we're gonna do a heat map of words. See, make dir source content carols, touch source content, no, move source content carols to source content Christmas carols, cp source content gifts index MDX to source content carols index MDX carols Christmas carols and their words. 7, and the data set is going to be Christmas carols.csv. Original idea from Drew Conway. Bam. Christmas carols are a time-honored tradition. Draw a heat map of the most popular words. Cool. What else? So we got the Christmas carols, vintage ads. I'm not sure what we could do with this one. It's a cool data set, but yeah, I know, Kiwi. Let's see. What does this data set say? Okay. Let's see. Make dir source content Christmas buy a tree, and we say cp to buy a tree, open buy a tree MDX, download this thing. Will you buy a Christmas tree? And we set 7. This is going to be on the 8th. Not everyone buys a Christmas tree. Draw a, let's do a pie chart, donut chart. Draw a donut chart. Draw a donut chart of people's thoughts. Okay. Let's see. What else do we have? Christmas price index, gifts desired, items purchased spontaneously, likely to be put in Christmas stockings. What is the price index? So one of the things I'm kind of struggling with is that I want to draw different and more interesting visualizations than just charts, because charts are not that interesting. So, but that's going to be a little bit on the difficult side. So I'm trying to kind of cover, you know, the basics first. Okay, so this one is going to be a nice option for a donut chart with tooltips. Make dear source content, what's it called, gift stockings, CP source to gift stockings, what goes in children's Christmas stock, what goes in stockings for Christmas. This is 9 already. That ever seen Christmas stockings? They get stuffed with all sorts of stuff. Build a donut chart of what's what, and add a mouse hover effect that shows what each slice means. That shows what a slice represents. And if anyone is still watching, you can tell me whether my descriptions make sense or not, and whether you think this would be interesting or fun, or, you know, if you would actually do this sort of challenge. So I said 7. Let's try going for another 3. What is this one? Ooh, average budget for Christmas presents by country. Perfect. Okay, that's not a lot of so this is cool because this allows us to make a not sure what. Let's see. Christmas by state. Well, okay. That, should we include that one? That sounds interesting. But let's see. No, that we already did that one. I would like something with geographic data as well. Let's see how much data there is in here actually, because if there's a lot of countries, that could be interesting. Wow. Not that great. Okay. Period during which US consumers will start holiday shopping. Perfect. But the problem is that this data isn't very detailed. Nah. Good, that could be cool. Okay, that's a cool one because we can make connected no. Okay, I'm starting to run out of ideas, so I think I'm gonna have to stop. Yep. Let's do another one. Let's do this one, and it's going to be a date heat map. Make dear source content when to buy gifts, CP to when to buy gifts, and we're gonna say when to buy gifts, when do Americans buy their Christmas presents. This is going to be the 10th already. Yeah. We'll get this guy. And here we're gonna say different ages want different things. My girlfriend likes to buy her presents early. I tend to buy last minute. and then I wait until the last minute. I wait until the last. My girlfriend likes to buy her presents early. I wait until the last minute. What do other people do? Draw a heat map. Draw a calendar with a heat map. Ein bisschen, yes, usually people choose their own IDEs. But there's a lot of groupthink that goes into it, because if everyone uses the same IDE, it makes life a lot easier for everyone. It's easier to help each other. Draw a calendar heat map sort of presentation. Okay, cool. Should I try to do 2 more? Let's try to do 2 more. Okay, Christmas jog. Let's see, what does it suggest? Lights, decoration, celebration. Okay. Yeah, I'm not paying $350 for that. Let's see. Elf. Christmas elf. Does that have any data sets? No. Christmas sales. Nah. Ooh, candy. Yes. Okay, so let's do a candy one. What should we do with candy sales? Make dear source content candy. The problem is that we don't really have, you know, hi bird. This would be a good one for a heat map, so we're gonna use this for a heat map. Make their source content candy. CP to candy. Candy. When do people buy candy? Candy is delicious, and it seems candy is delicious and popular. Candy is delicious, and when do people buy it most? Draw a heat map of days of the year. Make sure users can see draw a heat map of days of the year. Make sure users can find out. Make sure users can interact with your heat map to find details. Okay, now let's see what do other people do? Create a how would we create a way to visualize the last few weeks of the year and rank them by popularity. Ever seen Christmas stockings? They get build donut chart of and add a mouse effect that shows what the slice represents. Create a way to visualize the last few weeks of the year and rank them by popularity. Cool. Okay, so that's gonna be that for now. 9 gives me plenty to work with, and we're gonna add more later this week when we get through some of these guys. And I'm gonna ask Sean to make all of this a little prettier. Git add blah, git commit -m, first 9 challenges. Git push origin master. Yarn build. Great, that's building. Still building. That might take a while. Hey Chicken Ann, how's it going? Dude, what? Okie doke. Now we go to CD public. Now that deploys it. Hi. Okay, now alias command V reactviz.holiday. And we're gonna go check as soon as it says that it deployed. So reactviz.holiday. Yay. Come on, reload. Here they are, Christmas trees sold. Awesome. Great. And we're gonna announce it. And then I'm gonna have to go do some other work. Okay. First 9 challenges are now up on ReactVizHoliday. Solutions coming soon. Let's add the image. Perfect. Yeah, so the thing with legacy code is that any company that has been alive for more than like 6 months, I would say, is going to even 6 months, everyone's going to have a bunch of legacy code, because there just isn't time and it doesn't make sense to keep rewriting everything all the time. So you're always going to end up working with legacy code when you're working for real life things. The only companies that never have legacy code, I think, are the companies that don't make a successful product, so they have to keep making new ones from scratch. So yeah, that's my opinion on that. And now I'm going to stop live coding and go back to editing videos for the React for data visualization course, and we're gonna solve the first challenge tonight on a live coding stream and go from there. So thanks everyone for watching. I will see you later today. Maybe I should start replying just to when somebody asks me for stuff on YouTube, I should reply there, not on Twitch. Okay. Anyway, that's it from me for now.